Assalamualaikum and good day. I'm Nurashikin Suhaili, representing my team, Prof. Dr. Awang Ahmad Salihin and Dr. Dayang Salwani. We are from Unimas. We are here at Kinovasi 2021 to present our innovation entitled Stay at Home Exhibition Kit for Educators. One of the main challenges faced by online educators is the choice of suitable platforms for sharing their students' work like e-infographics or e-posters, which are aimed to be communicated. Learning management system and social media offer a less desirable degree of mass sharing apart from their limited features. Meanwhile, 3D virtual exhibition platforms are too expensive besides requiring high technical skills and also high bandwidth, making them less practical for underprivileged students. This have resulted in ineffective sharing of students' work, or even worse, the works will be just dumped in the submission folder without being shared. Introducing Stay at Home Exhibition Kit for Educators, the kit offers ready-to-use virtual exhibition templates suitable for educational purposes. Here are 5 top reasons why the kit should be your next e-learning tool. First, it is an effective tool for sharing students' work within and beyond the classroom. Second, it is suitable across academic disciplines. Third, it requires lower bandwidth compared to other advanced 3D virtual exhibition platforms. Fourth, it is a cost-effective e-learning platform for both educators and students. And fifth, it is designed for educators with little technical skill. Let's have a quick tour of the exhibition platform. Once you publish the exhibition to the web on Google Slides, get the URL link and go to the site, and you will be first directed to the main page of the exhibition. The rule of thumb of the platform is that any underlined text is clickable. It means here Gallery 1 to Gallery 4, they are all clickable. Now let's visit Gallery 1. This is all the booth of Gallery 1, and every booth here is also clickable. So means if I click one of the booth here, it will direct me to the exhibit of the booth. This is the infographic produced by the students. The same rules apply for other booths and also for other galleries. In general, you can see how easy and practical our exhibition platform is. We hope that Stay at Home Exhibition Kit will be a useful solution for knowledge sharing in line with our move towards borderless learning.